Today learning about Czasownik Być. For example, are you busy now? For as a feminine, if you ask your friend, woman, czy jesteś teraz zajęty? Czy jesteś teraz zajęty? Oh, zajęta, because it's feminine. To ask a question, it is enough to put ch before the affirmative sentence. Jesteś zmęczona? Are you tired? Czy jesteś zmęczona? Are you tired? In Polish, you can also omit ch and show that you are asking question with the intonation of your voice. Jesteś zmęczona? Are you tired? Okay, and then the next one, Kasia and I are close. Kasia, iya, yes, has, me, please go. Is this seat occupied or free? Czy to miejsce jest wolne? As you can see, in here, miejsce is a place, so you can literally say this place is empty, free. Yes, use wolne. I am busy at the weekend. Jestem zajęty w weekend. Jestem zajęty w weekend. Zajęty not only mean occupied, it also mean busy. We are at work. Jesteśmy w pracy. The noun ending very often change in Polish. Example, praca, work, w pracy, at work. We will talk about this next lesson in a higher level. For the time being, try to remember the typical collocation and example w pracy, at work, w domu, at home, w szkole, at school, w restauracji, at the restaurant. They are at home. One są w domu. Okay. Yes, this restaurant is too expensive. Ta restauracja jest za droga. Remember, za is to. Naprawdę is really. So you cannot really use naprawdę droga. You are here. Jesteście tutaj. Use this for example when looking at map. If you want to say you as a plural are here, in the sense that you have arrived, you can just say jesteście. They are at home. Oni są w domu. I record this with the noisy everybody at home. I have my children. Dufalata. Do Xiaojong. We are in the restaurant. We are at the restaurant. Yes. Jesteśmy. Jesteśmy w restauracji. And are you formal? Home. Panswo. Panswo song. Bertemu. Panswo usually refer to a group of both men and women. When you talk to or about men only, use panovi, literary source. When you talk to or about women only, use panie, literally madams. Is this pub nearby? Sure. 10 pub. Yes, please. Oh. Is he at school? Sure. On. Yes. What school? Oh, school with a Z. K. O. L. School. Yeah, this movie is very long. 10 film. Yes. Bardzo długi. Long, very long. Bardzo długi. Are you hungry? Asking for female. Czy? Yes. Też. Głodna. This lady is not tall. Pani. Nie. Yes. Wysoka. Are you ill? Sir? Yes. Też. Chory. Are you as a plural at home? Sir? Yes. Też. Czy w domu? So, here we go. Today we talk about Czasownik Być. See you in the next lesson. Bye.